Dogs like food. If you happen to be eating a burger or a home-cooked meal, they'll want a part of it, and it's partly because it's readily available. And second, they consider you as a parent, so it's natural for a parent to provide for their kid. Unfortunately, most pet owners think that dogs love human food more than dog food. Unfortunately, it's far from true. Dogs being social animals, they'll want to do whatever you're doing, including what you're eating. In fact, if you swapped meals and ate their food as they eat yours, the outcome may surprise you. Unfortunately, picking out a dog food formula can be a fairly complicated venture. With multiple brands offering different formulas with a myriad of benefits and flavors, it becomes extremely frustrating to decide which dog food is right for your canine friend. After all, the old "you are what you eat" also applies to your pets, just like it does to us. Then there's the whole raging debate of wet dog food versus dry dog food, and the balance between them. And although the two work great, the convenience and low price tag of dry dog food has seen it become a more popular option for dog owners. Kibble is also easy to store and travel with, plus it doesn't go bad even when left out, compared to wet dog food. So to make your purchase decision easier, we've dug into multiple dry dog food formulas to find the 5 best brands that will offer high quality protein doses and balanced nutrition to your furry friend. If you're interested in any of the dry dog food formulas, then we've included the links in the description box, so keep watching to find out about all of them. At number 1 is the Wellness Complete Health Natural Dry Senior Dog Food. Although your senior dog may argue that some things get better with age, he's sure to agree that his food tastes best when fresh. And that's exactly what this Wellness Complete Health Natural Dry Dog formula offers. Carefully formulated with natural ingredients, the formula is made of super nutrients such as deboned chicken, oatmeal, ground barley, ground brown rice, apples, blueberries, carrots, spinach, and many others, providing your senior pet with whole-body nutritional support. Unlike many other dry food formulas on the market, the Wellness Complete Health promotes overall fitness and longevity to fulfill all the unique health demands of your aging dog. For this, it's packed with proteins and healthy fats, such as omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, helping lower the risk of obesity and degenerative joint disease. Your dog's digestive system is generally able to look after itself, just so long as you're feeding it with the right food. However, even with the best care, it can still encounter unexpected problems. To help avoid this, the Wellness Complete Health formula for seniors is designed to be easily digestible, and your dog will love hearing its sound pouring into their bowl every day. Another thing you'll love about this dry dog food is the carefully calculated calorie intake. It helps give your canine friend the right amount of food without overestimating the amount needed. This reduces instances of stomach upsets and bowel movements, allowing your dog to be comfortable and active. And since it comes in a large 30-pound bag, it'll push you for weeks without having to constantly replenish the supply. Number 2 is the Instinct Original Grain-Free Recipe with Real Chicken Natural Dry Dog Food. Since 2002, Nature's Variety has been helping our canine friends get closer to their ancestral diet by manufacturing holistic nutrition recipe foods without artificial colors or flavors, cheap fillers, and byproduct meals. And they didn't disappoint when developing this dog food. This raw blend kibble uses USA-raised beef to ensure that proper regulations and quality control protocols are followed, and that your canine friend is getting sufficient proteins and nutrients to help them develop healthy, lean muscles, as well as maintain proper overall body functioning. Instinct's mixture ratio for this recipe is composed of 70% animal proteins, which include muscle and organ meat. The remaining 30% of the nutrients list comes from vegetables, fruits, and essential wholesome ingredients, and they mimic the minerals, vitamins, and other nutrients that your dog would obtain naturally in the wild or through prey. To further benefit your dog, the Instinct Original Grain-Free Recipe is packed with guaranteed levels of live antioxidants, probiotics, and omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, which help promote a healthy immune system, healthy digestive system, and a healthy coat and skin. Go ahead and give your dog all the essential nutrients for their bodies with this above-average dry dog food. And since it's a protein-heavy formula, you get to save a lot as they consume relatively smaller food portions and still fill their stomachs. Not impressed yet? Well, keep watching because we still have more coming up for you. If this is your first time visiting the channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. Now let's continue. At number 3 is Nature's Recipe grain-free salmon, sweet potato, and pumpkin recipe dry dog food. Formulated for all breeds and ages, this dry dog food recipe is crafted with your dog's nutritional needs and functional benefits in mind. It's no surprise that salmon is the primary ingredient, as it offers the highest doses of omega-3 contents compared to any other type of fish. On the other hand, the nutrient-dense sweet potatoes and pumpkin are easy to digest, plus they give the dry food recipe a high grain-free rating. Another thing to note about Nature's Recipe grain-free salmon, sweet potato, and pumpkin recipe dry dog food is its relatively low amount of calories. With an average of 337 calories per cup, it may be more ideal for less active dogs or those looking to lose weight. For this reason, it's important to consult your vet before using it to prevent under or overfeeding. Although it doesn't have any artificial flavors, preservatives, or colors, this product has a controversial ingredient, menadione, which is a synthetic version of vitamin K. While low amounts are safe, consistent repetitive use in a dog's diet may result in long-term exposure. Next on our list is the PEDIGREE Complete Nutrition Adult Dry Dog Food. Prepared real meat proteins and whole grains, this dry dog food recipe facilitates healthy digestion, as well as offers wholesome and balanced nutrition to nourish your dog's skin and keep the coat shiny. PEDIGREE Complete Dog Nutrition is also packed with vitamin B, zinc, and omega-6 fatty acids, which work together to keep common senior-age dog diseases like arthritis and obesity at bay. To throw your four-legged friend a curveball in their diets, it also contains antioxidants and vitamin E to help boost the immune system. Although the balanced dog food has no artificial flavors or added sugar, it has corn gluten meal, soybean meals, and whole wheat listed as some of the primary ingredients. With that much grain in a single recipe, your furry friends are bound to produce much more gas and increase their yard patrol. Grab the PEDIGREE Adult Complete Nutrition grilled steak and vegetable flavored dog food, and treat your dog to the taste of succulent steak with a hearty vegetable accent. And with the recipe's special fiber blend, this oral care kibble will also double as a teeth cleaning agent. Last on our list at number 5 is the Taste of the Wild grain-free roasted bison and venison high prairie dry dog food. Formulated with novel proteins from roasted bison and roasted venison, this grain-free dog food has a unique taste that you'll only find in the wild. It contains 32% proteins, which is double the recommended amount, and it'll give your canine friends highly digestible energy to remain active throughout the day. Additionally, the vegetables, legumes, and fruits extracts will offer powerful antioxidants to help improve and maintain their overall vitality. Along with high doses of natural proteins and antioxidants, Taste of the Wild also packs guaranteed levels of vitamin E, zinc, and selenium to boost the immune system. To support better digestion, it also includes dried chicory root, proprietary canine strain probiotics, and other active cultures. To sum up this review, this Taste of the Wild dry dog food formula will nourish your canine friend and offer lasting energy, courtesy of the carefully calculated complex carbs from sweet potatoes and legumes. So there you have it, the top 5 dry dog food formulas on the market. Whether your furry friend is malnourished, overweight, or genetically predisposed to joint issues, we hope you find a quality dry food formula that's generally good to feed your dog and still remain in your budget. If you found a particular dog food formula interesting, then click the link in the description box to catch it at a discounted price. We always look forward to seeing your suggestions and comments, so if there's a product that you have in mind that you'd love for us to review, then comment below in the comments section, and our research team will be happy to review it for you. Also, stay up to date with the latest updates by tapping the red bell icon and become a part of our growing online community by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time here on the ReviewTube channel, your home for fair and square product reviews.